So my two-step equation is 3b minus 4 equals 11. The first thing you would need to do is draw the line where the equal sign is and do the inverse of negative 4, which is 4, and you do that to both sides. Then you would need to cross off the both 4's and do 11 plus 4, which is 15. Then you would need to drop down the 3b and divide both sides by 3. Then 15 divided by 3 equals 5, so b equals 5. Yeah. This is my three-step equation. So first you would need to draw the arrows and do distributive property and distribute the 2 to the x and to the negative 5. So 2 times x would be 2x, and 2 times negative 5 would be negative 10. And then you would need to drop down the equals 5. So then you would need to draw the line where the equal sign is and do the inverse of negative 10, which would be 10. And you do that to both sides. And then you would need to cross off the 2 10s. And then 5 plus 10 would be 15. And you would need to drop down the 2x and divide both sides by 2. So 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So x equals 7.5. Emma saves $20 each week. She now has $80. She plans to save to buy a piano. In how many weeks will she be able to save $500? So first what you would need to do is draw the line where the equal sign is and do the inverse of 80, which would be negative 80. And you do that to both sides. And then you would need to cross off both 80s and then 500 minus 80, which is 420, and drop down 20w. And then you would need to divide both sides by 20. And 420 divided by 20 is 21, so she will be able to buy her piano in 21 weeks.